Hello, Space Apps Challenge teams. I'm Dr. Paul Bremner. I'm a planetary scientist and seismologist in the Office of Science and Technology at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. A half-century ago, NASA sent astronauts to the moon during the Apollo mission. Those astronauts deployed seismometers, or seismic measurement equipment such as these, to detect moonquakes and other lunar shaking. Data that was collected from that equipment is available on the internet. Also, there is free open source code available to process the data. Objectives of the Make a Moonquake Map Challenge include engaging students and citizen scientists in using the seismic data, as well as learning how to process the data and creating a digital map or virtual globe that depicts the locations of the moonquakes. In addition to the datasets that provide locations, there are also ones that provide time series data. The time series data tells the intensity of shaking at the seismometers and could be presented as squiggly lines in a plot, or presented as a shaky camera within a virtual reality environment that presents a moonscape. The bigger the amplitudes, the bigger the shaking. The challenge provides links in the reference section. Here's a hint though for finding the free open source software. Search for OBSPy, spelled OBSPY, and Python. Search for an Apollo Seismic Data Analysis module for OBSPy. Your team is free to choose how to display the data in a visually appealing and engaging way. But whether your team's product is a set of plots, a map, a digital globe, or a virtual reality experience, we would like to see the product embedded in a web page. That's because for security reasons, Space Apps judges shouldn't download programs from unknown sources. If your team uses GitHub as a code repository, search for GitHub pages. There are tutorials online that explain how to create and host a web page in GitHub for free. If you and your team accept this challenge, you will learn about the Apollo mission, data processing, data visualization, and deploying a web page to present the information. Please consider accepting the Make a Moonquake Map Challenge. We look forward to viewing your products. Happy hacking!